Meta Quest 3 is just a week away and it's about to change everything. But guess what? The leaks are pouring in faster than you can say Metaverse. We've got some exclusive images of accessories, unboxing videos, spec leaks, and so much more. You won't believe what we've uncovered since the last video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Firstly, Meta Connect is on the 27th of September. And although they've already revealed their headset, it's expected that they're going to be announcing a ton of new info about the Quest 3 and other products. But unfortunately for them, so much of this device has been leaked. There has been a ton not for sale images coming through. They send these like model units to developers, staff, or accessory companies. But what we can take away from these pictures is how much slimmer this device is compared to the Quest 2. We even have unboxing footage showing the packaging and the inserts. Of course, I'll be dropping a higher quality unboxing here on this channel, as well as an in-depth review comparing it to the Quest 2. I forgot it's on the couch. That's nice. But we'll be dropping those videos on launch. Mark Zuckerberg even dropped a video today on his Instagram playing Horizon Super Rumble with his friends on the Quest 3. So this was kind of cool to see. Also, shout out to the plug Luna. They got sent a leak from an anonymous source from GameStop showing the 128GB model for $499 and an unknown gigabyte model for $649. So $149 difference probably for a 256GB model, potentially a 512GB. But the other important thing on this is it says available the 10th of October and pre-orders begin now. This is probably in preparation for the Meta Connect event. So you could be seeing a review and an unboxing here on this channel on the 10th of October. I am so excited. In my last video, I discussed whether you should buy the Meta Quest 3. And in that video, I gave a bunch of data about this device. But there was a lot of info that was still missing and not confirmed, which I kind of didn't want to share. But we've also got a bunch of specification leaks that have come pouring in, such as RAM being 12GB, 120Hz confirmed, 509 grams in weight. It will have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, and the battery life will be about 2 to 3 hours. Now, a lot of people will be upset that there's no upgrade in the battery life, but the fact that it's still pulling those kind of numbers with the extra graphical boost and higher resolution, this is actually fantastic. You pair that with an elite strap or even a battery pack, and you will have so much more battery life on your device. Now we need to discuss the pancake lenses as well. Everybody who owns a Quest Pro can contest to this. The pancake lenses, although not perfect, are worth the upgrade alone, giving more clarity and making the device slimmer and lighter. Also, most pancake lenses give you a wider FOV. They also remove the God rays seen on the ridges of the Fresnel lenses. And another awesome thing is the Quest 3 has eye relief built into the facial interface. We finally got info on that Quest 3 Elite strap, the #1 most requested info. You see what I did there? Please don't unsubscribe. But we got more than just info. We've got an image. Take it in all of its glory. This is the Elite strap. I mean, that's confirmed. That's cool. As you can see, it's very similar to the last Elite strap. The difference is it has holes in the side, so you can still access the inputs on the Quest 3. I also think we're going to see some new exciting announcements of accessories in this Meta Connect, including a charging dock, potential knuckle straps, and a carry case. Now, the infamous page leak from the Meta website. This showcased the Quest 3 is able to use spatial data to create a digital model of the space around you. It recognizes objects and surfaces, outlines of furniture, walls, doors. You can also label objects like your table or windows. You can estimate the size, shape, and distance of those objects using just the headset. Also, unlike the Quest 2 and the Quest Pro, it will use mesh and depth data to scan your surroundings. Now, the last bit of footage we got of this, we saw a cool co-op demo. Now, this is an app called Campfire 3D, and it's actually running on the Meta Quest 3 dev kit. Important things to take away is one of them are using the Touch Plus controller, but this just shows another example of what we can expect from the amazing features of the pass-through. And I can't wait to use this feature. Just take a look at all of these upcoming Quest games scheduled for release this year. So many incredible, cool games coming up, and I will be playing them all on the Lordsi gaming channel. I'll also be streaming it over on my kick.com/Lordsi. So maybe consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. We've got reviews, unboxings, comparisons, and so much more coming for VR. I appreciate your time. Shout out to my VR community, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.